Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Devin Riza Iliansyah from Industrial Engineering 42 International. Today I'm going to presentate you about industrial statistic exam.
Next is number 2. Do heavier cars really use more gasoline? Suppose a car is chosen at random. Let X be the weight of the car in hundreds of pounds, and let Y be the miles per gallon. The following information is based on data taken from Consumer Report. This is the table, the weight of the car, X in hundreds of pounds, and Y the miles per gallon. Plot a scatter diagram, calculate the sample correlation coefficient between X and Y. Calculate the least square estimate for estimate intercept A and estimate slope B. Would the null hypothesis that there is no effect on X on Y be rejected at the 5% of level significance? What proportion of the Y variability is explained by the fitted regression line? A is make a scatter plot, and this is the diagram of scatter plot. Next is B, calculate the sample correlation coefficient between X and Y. Formulation of Pearson correlation coefficient of sample data. This is the formula, the R, and we calculate first the sample mean for X and Y. The mean for X is the result is the 37.375, and then the mean for Y is 20.875. And that is the table chart. There we calculate R, and we get R is minus 0.95. C, we move to estimated intercept A and estimated slope B. So the B, the formula is on the slideshow, and the result is minus 0.6, and A, we get the result is 43.3. When we calculate sample average for X and Y is Y equal to 43.4 minus 0.6 X plus E. Would the null hypothesis that there is no effect on the X on the Y be rejected at the 5% of level significance? So we search for the S square for the MSI and get the result by 5.013, and the standard error for the slope coefficient, we get the result is 0.084. Slope significant test B, we get the theory. H0 is car weight does not have a significant effect on gasoline consumption, and H1 theory sounds like car's weight gives a significant effect on gasoline consumption. So we do test statistic. T is B minus beta divided SB, and we get the result is minus 7.142. A is 0.05, and the free degrees is the phi is n minus 2 equal than 6, and then the T table is 0.025, and then reject the H0 if T is less than minus 2.5. 4047, or t is less than t is more than 2.447, except h null if not if the opposite. It turns out that t are minus 7.142, so that is the value is less than minus 2.4047, so that H0 is rejected. Based on the sample data, at a 5% level of evidence is enough evidence to state that car weight gives a significant on gasoline consumption. E. What proportion of the Y variability is explained by the fit regression line? Test the significance of the regression model with ANOVA test F. Uh, the theory is H0, the regression model is not able to explain the variance on the Y variable. And then the H1, the regression model is able to explain the variance of the Y variable. Test statistics, that's the formula. And then the SMR calculation needs to be done. Then we get the MSR is 256.36. So that F equal to MSR divided by MSE. So the result is 51.139. Significance level A is 4.4. The significance level is 0.05. The V1 is 1 and V2 is 6. Then the V table is F table is F 0.05 and the result is 5.99. And then we get the conclusion reject H0 if F is bigger than 5.99 and accept HO if the opposite. Let's turn out that the F is 51.1339 and that is bigger than 5.99, so the H0 is rejected. At a real level of 5%, there's a sufficient evidence to suggest that the regression model is capable.